Select an image where the tooth is seen clearly and place the marker. The marker should be located in the middle of the tooth in a slice where the tooth is easily separated from its surrounding. Select the tooth type from the drop-down menu. To change the tooth type, hover the cursor over a marker and click the right mouse button. To relocate a marker, click and drag it to a new location. You may locate several single tooth markers. D2P will calculate all at once. In case of suboptimal segmentation results received for a tooth with multiple roots, you may place several single markers and types on each of its roots. Click Apply to execute the segmentation process and see the results preview. Click Set to execute and store segmentation results in the selected mask.